prominent member of the Kennedy family is the nation's new Health and Human Services Secretary. This afternoon, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was sworn in by President Trump. The ceremony came hours after the Senate voted to confirm him. That vote was mostly along party lines, with 52 Republicans voting yes, 47 Democrats, and 1 Republican voting no. And that lone Republican voting no was Senator Mitch McConnell. NBC 10 political commentator Sue O'Connell here now. Sue, let's start with Senator McConnell. Why did he vote no?
Well, JC, because Mitch McConnell is a polio survivor. McConnell is in his 80s, and before 1955, there was no polio vaccine. Before the vaccine was developed in 1955, polio paralyzed about 15,000 people each year. It killed about 3,000 each year, and people were absolutely terrified. Now, Kennedy is in the least a vaccine skeptic, and at the worst, some say dangerous. Some say he scared people in Samoa away from taking the measles vaccine back in 2019. Kennedy denies it, and 83 people died. Now, McConnell was unable to persuade other Republicans to vote against Kennedy, and there is, of course, currently a measles outbreak in Texas, and the FDA is working on updating the bird flu vaccine. So McConnell clearly had concerns about putting a vaccine skeptic in charge of the nation's health.
Well, during the hearings, he wasn't the only Republican that was having, some concerns.
Yep.
Some Republicans had concerns because Kennedy has at one point, a pro-choice stance. He's been critical of processed foods. But what about those issues? Do you think they take a backseat now that he has the support of all but one Republican?
Well, it's on his agenda, JC, but he's got a lot of regular responsibilities now as part of his new role. Look, he's going to be overseeing Medicare, Medicaid, the CDC, the FDA, the NIH. That's a lot of initials. Food safety is in his domain, as well as vaccine development and distribution. That's just the short list. And then there's if there's a public health emergency or a disease outbreak like Mpox, COVID, bird flu, Kennedy's going to be in charge of the federal response. So on top of that, as we keep reporting, Elon Musk and Doge, they're going to be coming for HHS just like all the other departments with a hatchet. So Kennedy is going to have to navigate this already difficult job with fewer resources, fewer people, and we're going to have to see if he has the bandwidth to go take on big food.
All right, Sue, thanks so much for joining us.